Sai Hiraram everybody. With the blessings of Sai Hiralsha, today we are making Masala Idli, soft idlis infused with a flavorful tempering. The ingredients for the same are idli batter, capsicum, carrot, French beans, chana dal, cumin seeds, curry leaves, mustard seeds, turmeric, salt, green chili paste, ginger paste, sambar masala, oil, and fresh coriander leaves. Now, how do we make this dish? First, heat some oil in a pan. Add mustard seeds, cumin seeds, chana dal, and curry leaves. Let them sputter. Now add ginger paste, green chili paste, sambar masala, and turmeric. Mix this entire batter well. Now add carrot, beans, capsicum, and salt. Cook lightly for about 4 to 5 minutes. Switch off the flame and let the tempering cool for a while. Add the prepared tempering to the idli batter. Add some chopped coriander and salt if needed. Mix all of this very gently. Now prepare a steamer and bring the water to a boil. Add a little bit of oil and salt to the batter and mix it well. Grease the idli molds and pour the batter carefully. Place the tray into the steamer and cover with a lid. Steam on full flame for about 10 minutes. You can check by inserting a knife. If it comes out clean, soft masala idlis are ready. Soft, fluffy, and beautifully spiced. These idlis are perfect to be enjoyed hot as well as cold. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And if anyone ever asks you the recipe for these beautiful masala idlis, you must let them know that with the blessings of Sai Hiralsha, we have the recipe of the masala idli. Sai Hirara.